Welcome back to the channel, and this short video is going to describe how to set the CTCSS tone on your radio. Now this is going to be a description of generally how radios work. However, I'm going to show you here on a popular radio. This is a Yaesu FT-8800. It's a dual band FM only radio with dual receivers. So there's actually two radio receivers in this radio, one on the left side here and one on the right side here. I'm going to show you on the left hand side here how to set the continuous tone coded squelch system, and you'll be using this to get into repeaters and things like that. The reason they use tones like this, the CTCSS, is so that the repeater's not keyed up by accident by other local signals that aren't meaning to get in. So in order to prevent that, it is listening for a particular tone of a particular frequency in order to allow your signal to pass through. So to demonstrate this, and again this will be an overall general description of how these things are done, you would want to go to the menu, which is the center button here, and on this particular radio we have menu number 41, tone M. When we press the button here, the top button, that goes into the options of tone M, and then we rotate this top left button to encode the CTCSS. If we go again, encode and decode, DCS, which is a different type, or off. So encode means that it will only transmit the tone when you're transmitting. Encode decode means it will transmit the code when you're transmitting, but also it will only let you listen to received signals when it hears that tone. So if somebody's transmitting on your frequency but they're not transmitting the correct tone, then it will not break the squelch and let you listen to their transmission. So in a way, this is allowing your radio to act like a repeater and only allow in certain signals. The DCS is a digital type of squelch, and then off. So to use a repeater, we will go to encode. We then push the button in to select that. And if we go back one menu to number 40, this gives us the option of tone F. When we push the button in to select that, this is the tone frequency. So as we rotate, it will go through all the frequencies that are allowed for the CTCSS. So it goes all the way up and then back down to the beginning again. So the lowest looks like 67 and the highest is 254.1. So if we have a repeater, for example, that's 77, we then push the knob in, which selects it, and if we hold it down, it resets back to the beginning. And as you can see, we've got an encoded tone now of the frequency we selected ready to go. So when we key up, we're transmitting the tone, and if we're going into a repeater, that will be hearing us and opening up to let us make our transmission. To turn this off, we then go back into the menu, go to tone M, press the button, turn it to off, press and hold, and we're back to normal. So I hope this helped explain how it works, what it does, and the general gist of how to set it up on most radios, in particular this Yaesu, which is the 8800. There's also an 8900, which is essentially the same, and the menu system's the same in operation as well. Thank you.